Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best electric scooter under $1,000. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, HX. Model number, X8. 10-inch tires gives this scooter a smooth ride even over bumpy pavement or gravel. The X8 electric scooter is perfect for getting around town or having fun after work or school. This scooter can reach speeds of 25 km per hour with a longer range of approximately 30 to 40 km depending on rider weight, power level, and riding terrain. It is lightweight and foldable, so you can take it away with you on weekends or store it under your desk at work. With a removable battery that can charge in under 6 hours, you will always be ready for your next adventure. The X8 is packed with safety features including LED front and rear lights as well as ABS electronic braking. To set up the scooter for use, simply rotate the front pole of the scooter into vertical position, flip up the spanner lever, and rotate the fixing ring into position to secure the spanner lever. Attach the brake lever to the left side using the included hex wrench. Screw in each of the two handlebars, paying attention to the proper rotation to secure the handlebars in place. The brake lever and handlebar attachment steps are only required for initial setup. You can charge up a battery pack with it attached to the scooter or separate from the scooter. To attach the battery pack, you simply insert it into the battery slot and then slide it down until the latch locks it into place. All of this adds up to excellent value for your hard-earned money. Number 4. Brand name, FLJ. Model number, SK1. The FLJ SK1 scooter is made of durable and high-quality aluminum alloy. The scooter has 10-inch inner tubes with a high-quality anti-slip surface. The high-quality electric scooter FLJ SK1 has also a great price. It offers a powerful 1200-watt motor with a maximum speed of up to 45 km per hour, a range of 80 km or double suspension. However, the durability as well as the performance or size of the battery were reflected in the weight of the scooter itself. The powerful engine of up to 1200 watt can develop a maximum speed of 45 km per hour, which, however, may not reach the paper values specified by the manufacturer, depending on the rider's weight and the driving surface. The load capacity of the scooter stopped at 150 kilograms, which is quite a decent value. The scooter has no problem riding uphill, while it can climb up to a 25 degrees angle. Although they are thicker off-road wheels, they are soft enough to absorb all shocks. There is also front and rear lighting with a decent range. There is also a dual brake system at the front and rear. The large up to 25 ampere-hour built-in battery offers a maximum range of 60 to 80 kilometers. The final value of course depends on the weight of the rider and the riding surface. The scooter is charged using the included adapter, and you can charge it to full capacity in 6 to 8 hours. The FLJ SK1 promises enough legroom, with a platform about 20 centimeters wide. Because the maximum speed it can reach is quite high, the scooter needed an efficient braking system. Therefore, to ensure a timely stop, but also for extra safety, the manufacturer opted for disc brake on both wheels. The scooter has both LED headlight and stop, as well as an LED strip installed on the side of the chassis. There is also a fairly generous screen display on the handlebars, which displays information on speed, usage and battery capacity. Number 3. Brand name, Jayesha. Model number, X48. The electric scooter have new generation folding design. It can help you carry in everywhere. The electric scooter have front and rear suspension for more comfort. Disc brake ensures maximum safety. Our adult kick scooter is easy to fold and carry with its patented folding system, ideal for travel and storage, hardly takes spaces. Can carry and storage anywhere easily, such as trunk, coffee shop, bus, subway and so on. The electric scooter have lithium battery. It can help you ride long range. The scooter has both front and rear suspensions. And it's more comfortable. Big wheels are found to be more comfortable, smoother and reduce vibration. The electric scooter have turn signal function, illuminate the night to ride safer. It can help you ride safe in the road. The electric scooter provide Angel LED headlight. Number 2. Brand name, barter. Model number, X1. 10-inch big wheel off-road tire, adapt to all kinds of pavement. Great shock absorption and anti-slip treads. Powerful 1000-watt high-speed brushless DC rear motor, reach up to a speed of 30 miles per hour. Quick folding mechanism allows it to be folded and unfolded in seconds, making it easily put in the trunk of the car. Suitable for home travel. Air pressure front fork and double spring rear shock absorber structure. More comfortable and safer. 21 ampere hour 48 volt lithium battery and longest range of 30 miles. Super bright LED front and rear light for safe riding in dark. Collapsible for space-saving storage and convenient transport. Tackles steep 35 degrees hills with ease, making it a perfect commuting scooter. The LCD display shows current speed, speed modes, battery life and headlight. Number 1. Brand name, Fieber. Model number, Q08. Powerful motor enables Q08 to reach 50 km per hour. The 10.5-inch thickened explosion-proof off-road tires makes Q08 durable and stable. It has a range of 80 to 100 km per charge and a longer service life. The battery has overcharge protection, overcurrent protection etc. More sensitive and faster brake response, shorter reaction distance. The shock absorption makes cycling more comfortable, even if the road is steep, like riding on flat ground. Q08 has a foldable design with a folding length of 112 centimeters and can be used in most car trunks. Suitable for commuting, shopping, hill riding and traveling. It is suitable for commuting to work, shopping in supermarkets, mountain cross-country, and traveling. Multifunctional electric scooters.